What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title today, we have another returns box from Buyers Hub. Just last week, I did a video where I purchased a bunch of Royal Mail return boxes, so I'll link that in the eye in case you guys haven't seen it. And today I have a whole new mystery box to try out right here, and this actually has Amazon returns in here, but not just any Amazon returns. Specifically, this box has a bunch of electronics and gadgets inside. It was called the Amazon Electronics Mystery Box. It's got electronics, gadgets, toys, and multimedia. So I paid $79.99 for this box and then £10 shipping on top, so that takes it to roughly £90. And inside this box, you get 20 different items supposedly, so hopefully we'll get something that's worth the value that we spent for this. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But as always, if you guys want to see what is inside this box, then without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so I think my biggest fear with opening this box is that there's gonna be like repeat items, and when you get only 20 items inside a box, that's gonna be quite annoying. Previous return boxes I've done from this website do sometimes get repeat items, so I guess we'll see. Let's open this up. What have we got here? Okay, a good mixture of items from what I can see right away. It is full to the brim. Let me just show you. This is what I can see. Okay, the first item I think I have to obviously show right off the bat is this. It's a huge extension lead. It's a 5-meter cable. And it looks pretty hefty. Like, that is a good extension lead. And I know extension leads can be expensive, especially when they're long. So yeah, this is cool. I mean, this won't come in handy for me right now, but when I've built my house, potentially this could be really useful. The next item I see is this. It says LED on it. I'm guessing this is a bulb of some kind, but it says sewing machine on the side. So now I'm thinking, what could this be? It's been taped up, so it's definitely been opened already. Oh, is it a light for a sewing machine? Is that what it is? Yes, okay. I mean, this could be used for anything really, although it does have one of these bad boys, which is definitely not a UK plug. So yeah, it's just like a tiny little light. It's got a little switch on it. I don't think I'm gonna make any use out of this, but it could also be like a reading light, I suppose. It does have a magnet on the back as well, so I'm guessing that's why it's designed for a sewing machine. Next up, we have this. And honestly, I don't know what this is, but this looks so cute. It's called a mini deer night light. Oh, how adorable. Oh, this is actually so cute. Are you kidding? It's got a tiny little light. It's not very bright, but I guess for a nightlight, that would be enough. You just turn it on right in the back here, and this is so cute for like a little bedside. His little legs can actually move, and so can his tail. This is so cute. If I had a kid, this would be definitely going straight on their bedside table, and it even comes with little batteries. Okay, moving right along, the next item I see is this. Oh, okay, so this is actually a Osram Night Breaker lamp. I'm guessing it's for a car. It has a BMW on the front. I don't really know how expensive a bulb like this is, but I'll pop it on screen if I can find it on like Amazon. Next up we have this. Oh my goodness. It looks like AirPods. It clearly isn't, but it's a wireless pair of earbuds, literally sealed, like brand new. So that is really cool. I'm sure these wouldn't have been too expensive, but you know, at least it's a decent item that I'll probably get to use. Then we have this, which looks like a plug adapter. Yeah, it's a plug adapter. It looks like it can do USB and American plugs. Is that an American plug or a European plug? I never know. But it's got 2 USB ports, and then on the other side is just a regular UK plug. So hopefully that will come in handy. Next up, we have this. What in the heck? This looks funky. This is a full color rotating lamp. It's actually a bulb. This is pretty cool, I must admit. Oh my goodness. This would be great for like Halloween parties. What the heck? Oh, it's actually like a lamp on its own. So basically, you twist that in there. It looks a little bit broken, I'm not gonna lie. Then you plug it into what definitely is not a UK plug. And then you turn it on with a switch, and then this should like rotate. Maybe these two things can work in conjunction with each other. Let's see. Does this work? Oh, it does! Wow, okay, I kind of have to plug this in now. Now the thing is, I don't have a plug anywhere near, so what am I gonna do? Oh wait, I have an extension lead. This is all falling into place, you guys. I'm literally already gonna use 3 of the items that I have opened in this box. So far so good. All right, I have plugged everything together. Here is the moment of truth. Does this actually work? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Wow. Wait, can you guys see it in the background? I've turned the background lights off so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, it definitely shows up, and I think in a dark room it would look even better. This is so awesome. I can't believe that this was in this box. Okay, moving on to the next item. We now have this, which is quite clearly a kid's toy. It's called the elephant shower. So it basically plugs into your like water pipe, and then it has its own little hose that you can use to wash your baby. It also creates bubbles. This is so cool. Again, if I had a kid, I would totally make them use this because this is so much fun. I would test this out, but I don't currently have a bathtub. I only have a shower in the tiny home. So yeah, I cannot try this out for you guys, but I'm sure it'd be great. Next up, we have this item. No idea what this is. It's just called a wireless charge. Maybe it's a wireless charger for your phone. Oh yeah, I think it is. It looks like a little like pad to put your phone on. And then it literally just comes with a little cable which plugs in like so. I guess, yeah, it's to kind of just put your phone over and charge your phone like that. Next up, we have this. And I have to admit, I have no idea what this is. I have no idea. Do you guys have any idea what this is? It comes with like this, which no idea what that is. And then it comes with this little like pad. I almost feel like it's like a wrist pad for when you're at the PC. I don't know. This gets attached to that, I guess. And then it also comes with all these like random numbers that you can use as stickers. Okay, we now have another bulb. Very, very random, but yeah, that's like the 3rd one now, I guess. I guess people really like to return Amazon bulbs. Oh, wow. Next up, we have a toothbrush. It looks like it could be new. Oh no, it definitely has been opened. I don't know if I trust it. Maybe it would be all right, because actually all the heads are still like sealed in the plastic packets. And then the actual toothbrush itself is pink. How cute. I do already have an electric toothbrush, so I will probably donate this to charity because it is literally brand new. The next item I have is actually pretty cool, although I probably won't be able to use this, or maybe I can, I don't know. It's one of these. It's called a RGB gaming charging head strap, and this is for the Meta Quest 3S, which I don't have that. The package does not include a Quest 3S VR headset, so it's literally just the charging strap, but still, that is pretty awesome. It actually illuminates, as you can see here. Again, I'm totally gonna donate this to charity or like an organization because I feel like someone would definitely make use of this, but I just don't have the bits that are required to use it. Oh my goodness, the next item is so freaking cool. It is one of these. It's a Catapult Glider Gun. Are you serious? This is awesome. So basically you pull the trigger and it launches like a little foam plane. I mean, you don't gotta tell me twice. I am totally all over this and I definitely will have fun with this. Even though by social standards, I am well and truly an adult, I am still a kid at heart. So I would definitely be using this. In fact, let's open it up. So there is like the little toy pistol. It also comes with the little planes, which you have to assemble yourself. They even have little wheels. That is so cool. All right, so I've just assembled all the planes. You actually get 3 different planes in here, and they are way cooler than I thought. First up, not only do they have a little landing gear underneath them, but also they have this LED strip at the top with a little on and off button, so you can turn it on. That is so awesome. Oh, I think you slide it in like that. Okay, it clicks in. Right, I am well and truly loaded. Now I'm just gonna have to shoot it behind me and hopefully not break anything. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! That was so so much fun. It literally flew at the wall and it didn't even break. That is pretty awesome. I guess that's what the landing gear is for. It makes sense because it basically glides along the gun. Are we ready to do it again? 3, 2, 1. So much fun. It would be even more fun outside, so I feel like this is already so worth this box. As you can tell, I am very easily amused, but we still have a couple of items left. So the next one I want to open is whatever this is. To be honest, I don't know. I have no idea what this could be. What is this? Okay, so this is it. It comes with quite a few parts. It comes with like a little whatever this is. It comes with a little, I mean, this looks a little bit dodgy. I don't know if that's just my mind taking me there, but this looks weird. And then this one, I don't know. It says multi-gaming expert on it, but it looks like some kind of player. Literally no idea what this could possibly be or what this could do. It also came with this in the same package. This was completely wrapped and sealed. But again, I'm getting weird vibes from all of this. Is that just me? I have no idea what this could be. Moving swiftly along, the next item we have is this. It's a walking pet training lead. That's what it says on the label. So obviously you could walk your dog with this or your cat or honestly whatever you want to take on walks. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any strange pets that you would take on a walk. Like maybe a pig? So yeah, this is one of those items that's probably gonna not come in handy for me, but I'm gonna give this to my parents because my parents do have a dog. We have a few more items. The next one being this one, which is a shaver slash razor. It's called the Vintage T9 Trimmer Professional. It looks like it hasn't been used. Everything is still brand new in its box, but this is pretty fancy looking. Look at that. It's like bright gold. It's got all the attachments right here. So again, I'm probably gonna give this to my dad. Next up, we have a couple more light related items. So the next one being this rechargeable flashlight glove. I feel like this would actually be super handy for my husband, Matt, because we're constantly working on the house whilst it's late and you're having to like, you know, use a torch on your phone, which isn't ideal. So if you could just literally wear the thing, that would be great. It's a little bit confusing though, because it looks like this, which looks nothing like a glove. Actually, it's quite easy to figure out. So basically the two lights are here on your index finger and on your thumb. You just press the button and then there you go. You have like a light. So wherever you're working or pointing to, you're gonna see what you're doing, which I think is really awesome. Definitely one of those items that I wouldn't buy for myself, but now that I have it, I will definitely use it. The next light related item is actually a light keychain. So if you don't really like the idea of the glove, you can just pop this on your key and it pretty much does the same thing. Obviously then you do kind of have to hold it, or actually, I feel like maybe this one can stand. So again, this is rechargeable. It comes with its own little cable, and then it actually has a magnet on the back, which I think is awesome. But then it also does have like a little stand, so you could literally stand up your light like this. And then at the top here, it's obviously got the keychain part. So this is awesome. Let's see if it works and how bright is it? Oh, it does work. Wow, that was very bright and right in my eye. Can you change the settings, or is it literally just on and off? Oh, you can. Whoa, strobe. Okay, so it seems that there's 3 settings. There's the really bright one, the less bright one, and the flashing one. That is pretty awesome. It's such a small but like really potent light. But I will say it's quite a big keychain, so I probably wouldn't put this on my keys. And the very last item we have is this, which is just a portable charging bank. It looks like a pretty decent one. I feel like somebody purchased this for like a holiday or something, and then when they came back, they just returned it because it has been taped up. Oh, it's actually quite a nice compact one. Sometimes they can be really, really big, but this one's nice. It's literally brand new, still sealed. Actually, I would say this is brand new. Like, it doesn't look like it's been used at all. It still comes with the cable that's been like wrapped with a little tie. And I've got to say, charging bags can be quite expensive, so this is a pretty good find. All right, guys, that is it for the entire box. Let me know in the comments which one of these items do you think was your favorite. I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer. It is definitely the disco ball as well as the plane. It is just so much fun. As As always, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. So hopefully if you guys did enjoy this like slightly different genre of the return boxes, I can definitely do more in the future. That is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.